So I am going to show you how to uh, uh, how to display a UI user interface is GUI interface on a frame. Remember, if you want to display a GUI graphic material, it has to be on the frame. It cannot be. It just cannot be. It just cannot be on in any other place. Like that's a rule. You want to be um, in the GUI interface. It has to be on a frame. So let's do this right now. I'm going to show you do this. Okay. So what I'm going to do this is this. Okay. So I am going to coming back to this right now. All right, I'm going to get rid of my color. I really don't need color. All right, I don't need a color right now. Oh, sorry. So I want this basic thing. JFrame, frame equal new JFrame, and my frame set size and set title. I want to make it bigger, 500 and 600. It's okay. And since empty frame. All right. So I'm going to show you this. I'm going to show you this right now. All right. So add my demo 2. I'm continuing my demo 2. Okay. This is demo 3 right now. So your job file has called demo 3. So on the demo 2 here, take a look here. I am going to come out with my hold on. Let me get my file here. Okay. All right. So I have my 135 class and chapter 2. I have my source and open it down. Yeah, everybody. Now you ready? I need to show you how to drag in. Okay. So 9.1 has an empty frame. That's it. We got it already. 9.2 has a rectangle. Okay. 9.2 has a rectangle. So, gentlemen, ladies, 9.2 has a rectangle. Is that okay? Now, do you see the rectangle here? Yes or no? All right. So okay. I am going to drag into my source. So I have 2 files right now. Is that okay? So drag it and plus until I land on the same folder. You see same folder, and copy here. So here I have empty frame here, and I have rectangle component. Yes or no? I have 2 files. I need you to see I have 2 files right here. All right. So the rectangle component is inherit from J component. So what does that mean? J component is a part of the GUI. Okay, on your frame, it's like a real handle website. That's a huge frame right there. You can have so many components here. You can put a text, you can put a label. We're going to put a component. A component, think about a part. And this part is a rectangle. All right. So a component wanted to inherit from J component. If I want to draw anything, I have to use paintComponent as I show you. paintComponent can only use graphic G, 1 dimension. So that means if I want to draw a box, I really cannot say 510, length 5 with height 5, length 10, and start from 20. I have to start from X and 1 by 1 to draw from line. Like when I need to draw a rectangle, there are 4 points. X1, X2, X3, X4. I have to draw a line from X1 to X2 then another line x2 to x3. There's no such thing I can draw a box. Do you understand? Now, so graphic 2D G2 equal parenthesis graph 2D G. These need to memorize. Don't argue with me, because this is originally I want you to memorize. When there's a class object, always new class, and if there's a parameter. Same thing, like here, we always memorize this. JFriend, class, friend, object equal new JFriend. Alright? I always ask students, say, Bill Gates, Joe equal new Bill Gates. That's how you inherit everything. So, but graphic 2D was, did it after everything is done. There's nothing they can feed. So graphic 2D G2 is not new graphic 2D. Instead of graphic 2D, G2 equal parentheses and G. So it will be 妈妈我在教书 So it will be update your one-dimensional G to two-dimensional G2. Understand that right now? Alright. So add the graphic 2D. You can draw. And you can draw a box, and you can move a box, and you can draw a box again. So now the problem is I have to put this component. So this component draw two boxes. I have to put these two components into my empty frame. Alright? I have to put these two boxes into my empty frame. And this is what I'm going to do. Press enter. Follow me right now. Press enter. Follow me right now. I type rectangle component. P-O-N. Okay? That will be this. Type exactly RECTNG rectangle component. That's a class. You just create it. Remember we talked about the primitive class. And this is the class you create. You create this class. And you can put this in API if this is good enough. And you're going to call this my component. And equal to new rectangle component. Left and right. So you're going to put like this. So you tell your computer, on my friend, I'm going to insert another class. It's rectangle component. From that class, I have an object called my components. Alright, so after you insert it, and you want to show, you want to add to your friend. So you say friend dot add this my component. Okay, and we semicolon. Then, so these two lines are very, very important. Remember you had the empty one. Now you say, I am going to relate to a rectangle. I'm going to put rectangle component in that class. I'm going to call it my components. I'm going to associate with this class and create an object from that class. Then I'm going to add the object to my frame. Once you finish, you run this right now. So you have two rectangle. You have two rectangle here. If I only need one rectangle, very easy, okay? Here, I'm not going to translate, all right? So I'm just going to have one. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. 100, 200. Oh, sorry, I write it wrong. Still 20, 30. That's from beginning. But these I'm going to make 100, 150. 150. All right. Then not only that, I'm going to have a color. Okay. So I'm going to say G2 dot set color. Hey, I'm not going to worry about those color. I'm just going to color dot and pick any color. All right. So I'm going to pick a green color. Green. Okay. Uppercase is same thing. All right. So I draw that. All right. So right here, I have a rectangle. It's just one. So I have to coming back here. Always go to the here. So run as, sorry, go back to here. Run as Java application. Go back the one has a man and click it. Here. Let me see what. File save.
Are the first two numbers the X and Y, or is that different?
And the first two number is not XY. That's
Width.
that's a length and width. Okay.
All right.
Let me see. Do I spell wrong? Rectangle component. My component. Friend add my component. Let me double check. Well, that's okay right now. Rectangle component. Draw box. That should be okay right now. Let me run it one more time. Okay. Oh, it's right here. You see that? You see it? Oh, okay. I think I put the color wrong. Let me go back. This is wrong. 20, 30, 100, 50. Okay. Because we are using rectangle. That's an old one. Okay. Now, we are using graphic 2D. Now, I am going to change these to fill. Instead of draw, I'm going to change these to dot fill. Okay? Dot fill. Alright, so I change the X, Y, and length and width. Sorry. And I change this instead of draw, I use fill. Okay? I change that. So let me run it again. When I run it, I always need to land on empty frame because empty frame here, this class has the main program. That's the entry point to run program. Okay? So run as Java application and rectangle component. So now starting from 2030, let me go to my rectangle. So right here, starting from 2030, 100, 150, I fill the box. One more time. I draw a rectangle starting from 20, X is 20, Y is 30 pixel down, 100 is the length, 150 is the height, and I set color to green, and I fill the box. Alright, so create a draw file now. So this is your demo number 3. Your demo number 3, you draw a green figure. You draw a green rectangle. You draw a green rectangle on the frame right now, on the frame. Okay, so let me let you finish up, and I'm going to continue to see this. So this is rectangle, and draw this. Is that right? And fill it. Now I want to continue the demo 3. Okay, so construct, but this time, how about construct a red circle? Okay, red circle, and with diameter 200. All right, so let me show you how to do that right now. So if I wanted to have a circle, okay, I need to use something called ellipsis 2D. The double, okay, and we'll show you later the double. All right, then I'm going to call it, don't call it circle, because circle already is a keyword. Okay, so I'm going to ellipse 2D dot, I'm going to call this ball equal new ellipsis 2D the double. Alright, so I'm going to do like this, and then I'm going to put this right now. I already have 20, 30, so I'm going to kind of go away from there. It's okay. Let me do all the way away from there. Let me put 100 and 0. Okay, and I want to have a ball right here. 50, 50. Let me just put 100. Okay, so 100, 100. So I want a ball. Okay, but the ball is red one, so I have to change this part right here. I have changed this color, say G to the set color. I need to change my color. Okay, change my color to Color.RED. Okay, Color.RED. Uppercase, lowercase, same thing. Then I am going to say, so I got a ball right now, right? I got a ball. Then I change the color right now, so I can activate my graphic. So G2 the fill. Okay, I want to fill the ball. Fill the ball. All right. So for this, I have to save it. Okay, file, save. File, save. Okay, so obviously I have a green. I have a green box. I have a red ball. Okay, so I click on my empty frame here, and because empty frame has the main allow me to do it and run as Java application. Now I see I have this a green rectangle, a red ball right now. Okay, now let me coming back and to continue. I am going to write a line. Okay, I'm going to write your name. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so first I need to set the new font size. So font, all right, so my font equal new font and whatever you like. Okay, you like Times New Roman, whatever, Verdana, so I pick that one. And I say my font, I want to choose bold. Remember I want it to be 18, so comma 18. All right, so I pick a font right now. All right, then now I have to say G to the set font to my font, okay. So I already have color red here already, so I don't need to worry. I'm just going to write it down. So G to the drawstring. So I draw string right here, and I'm going to draw string with my name, and it's Shin Liu. All right, and X Y. I guess I have to go X a lot to, let me put like 300. It's okay. Y go all the way down to 400. Okay, because I already have a bunch of these. So now my font, I put 18 in bolded and red color, and set the font to that font, and X is 300, Y is 400. I put my name. All right, probably let me put 400, 500, because I think my friend is 500, 600. Yeah, I have enough space. Okay, so let me run it right now. I land on my friend, that's the entry point, and I run as Java application, and I run there, and I got this and my name right there. Okay, for this demonstration program, all right, for this demonstration program, you learn how to fill a green rectangle. You also did a red circle. You also write your own name with a size 18. You can increase, right, any size right now. It's okay. So that concludes this demonstration 3. I hope you like it.